Hi, hello, good morning. Today I am going to show you how to make brinjal curry. Here I am taking red chili powder, jeera powder, turmeric, hing, dhania powder and mango powder, salt. Mix well. Take long thin brinjal and cut into pieces. Don't cut fully, cut like a flower shape and fill the masala inside it. Apply masala and drop slowly in the pan and cook for few minutes all sides. Like this I am frying. Inside the masala will be very tasty if we eat with dal. All brinjals cooked ready. Sprinkle leftover powder and mix well. Our masala brinjal is ready to serve. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel. Have a nice day. Bye.